everyone, welcome. Allison here. So today I am doing an unboxing of November's Gold Club stamps for November. Anyhow, right now I've only got the one part of it, and then when I get the other one I will just add that to this video. So like I said, this is from the Stamps of Life. This is the Gold Club, so I get the stamps and the dies, and then I get the card kit. If you guys are interested in it, I'll have a link down below. You guys can go and check it out. So this month is, it looks like it's going to be the windows. Super cute. Yeah, it's the windows. Oh, look at that. The sleeping kitty. Some flowers. I like that. Very cute. And then here is the stamps. So cute. So you got the pot that's in two pieces, so the top and the bottom, so you can stamp it in different colors. So there's the pot, and then same with the kitty. You got where you can just outline the kitty, and then you've got the solid, so it you can without having to color it, you can just stamp it. And it's got miss you, be happy, hello there, keep dreaming, and welcome home. Super cute. So I'm excited to see what the card kit is going to be. So now they got 3 different clubs. You got the stamp club, and that's where you'll just get the stamps. And then you have the die hard, and that's where you'll get both the stamps and the die cuts. And then you got the card kit club. So no, I guess there's 4 then. So the card kit club, you get the paper, you get the envelopes, you get like a whole bunch of different goodies inside of it. And then the gold club is where you get all of it. So that's what I'm doing. So here's some examples. That is super cute. I like that. I need to get me that pop-up die. And there's another one. It's a pop-up card as well. So cute. I actually watched her make that. She did a really good job. And then your basic card. I wish it come with the curtains, but it doesn't. You have to, oh, I don't know, maybe the other kit will come with it. If not, you have to order the stamp and the die separately. But yeah, see right there. I did get that for free though, so it's very awesome. So I'll have to wait until the 15th to see what comes in it, and hopefully that will be there. So alright, as soon as that other one comes in, I'll just add it to this video. So we'll see you here in just a sec. Okay, so the second part of the Gold Club come in. So the first one is the stamp and die set, and then this one is the card kit. So let's see what is in this one. Okay, so we've got some ribbon. This looks like ginger snap. This is probably midnight. Very pretty. I still have some of the ginger snap. I think it's so pretty. Blue is really pretty. Some stuff that they sell. So we got Brighter Days. It's got this, the word, and then it's got the shadow behind it. Very cool. I like that. That'll work on some cards. A cupcake and the shadow to go with it. The free gifts, looks like some flowers, and then the word smile and its shadow. Very cool. Pretty flowers. Some stamps. Be strong, have faith, everything will be okay. Life has a funny way of working things out. Wishing a very special person a very special birthday. Sending you a paper hug. Aw, I like that one. And greetings. Very nice. And some ideas. So this is the color of these papers right here. So we got banana, sky, blue jay, kiwi, poppy, ginger snap, artichoke, and midnight. And then just ideas, what you can do with the cards. Cute. Got some little wood, I don't know, wood things. It's got kitty cats, houses, and butterflies. 2 of each. Cute. We've got some, I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of this. I have it. It's chipboard. You can do it. Some pretty stickers. And paper. Not really keen on the paper this month. I like the polka dots. Well, let's open it up. I guess if you like cats, you would like this. Not really my thing. I mean, I like cats. They're cute, but yeah, not really my thing. I like that. I like the polka dots. Just get smaller and smaller. Oh, I like that. I like that. And then just repeats. And then, of course, you know, you got your paper. I don't really care for how they do it anymore, but to me, that's just adding more plastic. They used to put it in this envelope. I think they should go back to doing that and not this, but whatever works for them. And then, of course, your envelopes for the cards. So, yeah, that is November's card kit. Cute, cute. I really do like the colors of those ribbons. So, there we go. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have not subscribed already, hit that subscription button and the notification bell. I do put videos out every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And you guys, leave me a comment down below what you guys liked about this video. That lets me know that you are enjoying this video or not. I will listen to your comments. I read everyone's comments. I try to comment back on everybody's. So, yeah. Leave me a comment what you guys think of this month's Gold Club membership. Alright. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, depending on what time you're watching this. And don't forget to always smile. Bye.